Hi, kindergarten, welcome back. We are practicing addition math facts this week, right? And different strategies to solve those math facts. And we're also working on when we're gonna use those math facts when we're out in the real world, okay? So think about, let's say I go to the store and in my cart, here's my little grocery cart, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bouncy balls, okay? And then over here in the basket at the store, they still have 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll move this one down here, so there we go. They have 4 in their big basket. So how many balls are there all together? If I take those 4 balls and put them in my cart, how many will I have all together? So all together we are adding. We know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. And we want to put them together. So 6 and 4 is equals, I'm going to start, remember counting on, start with the bigger number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what would be the turnaround fact? What's 4 plus 6? What is it, Lincoln? Yeah, it's still 10. It's still 10, you guys. Great job, Marta, you knew it too. Darren knows it, Rose knows it. Okay, so let's try a different one. Let's say I have some books. And let's say I have a shelf like this and I have 1 book standing up, 2 books, 3 books, 4 books, 5 books standing up. And then I have a little stack of 1, 2, 3 books that are stacked up like that. So how many books do we have on our shelf? Well, we're putting them together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. What is 5 plus 3? Start with your bigger number. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the turnaround fact? Write it down on your whiteboard if you have it. What's your turnaround fact? Oh, Darren's gonna write it down. Good job, Rose, keep going. So turn those numbers around. 3 plus 5 equals still 8. We're just counting these ones first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have the same number of books up there. All right, great job. Okay, I want you to try to solve these on your whiteboard and put them on Seesaw for me. Let's say that we have hats. So let's say I have, there's a hat, there's a hat, there's a hat, there's a hat. So I have 4 hats up there. Then I've got some cowboy hats. Okay, so how many hats do I have all together? How many are up here? And I don't want you to just write down the number, the answer. Write down an equation, something plus something. Great job. So solve that one for me. Then I'm gonna have you do this one down here too. What if I have a big pizza, and on the left side I have 1, 2, 3 pieces of pepperoni, and on the right side I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of pepperoni. How many pieces of pepperoni are on the whole pizza? I want you to write it down as an equation, so there needs to be a plus sign in there. Which numbers are you putting together? And try to start with the larger number, if you can, so that you can count on. Put those down. And if you want to challenge yourself, try to come up with your own number story, draw it for me, and write down the equation for me, put it on Seesaw. Okay, see you tomorrow.